Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Amazon not opening on iPhone 2025. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close the app and then reopen it. Next, restart your phone. After that, head over to your app store, search for Amazon and then see if there is an update button available. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. After that, offload the app in settings. Go ahead and go to general and then iPhone storage. Scroll down, find Amazon and then click on offload app. This will free up app storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Safety tip: do not use beta iOS version, they break Amazon app often. Quick fix: delete and reinstall the app fresh, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.